today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Tappytoon app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just go down here. You click here on more down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, so you just go down here, you keep going down, you click here on notifications here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. You come here to series and chapter updates here, notificate for notifications, clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that means series and chapter updates notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.